There is reason to believe that the best aspect of every race is its culture, meaning their dance, music, drama, literature and their fine arts. Even when we study history, we cannot help feeling that man was at his best when he expressed culture. Other than war, we see that man spent a lot of time in this pursuit. There are even several civilizations, which are now no more, which have left the best in their cultures for us. With the speed of communication today, via television and radio, it is possible for us to appreciate culture from all over the world while not moving from our sitting rooms. Indeed, it is a pleasure to watch the best expressions of culture from remote places like the jungles of South America. These cultures were not available to all of us a few years ago. Worse, no one even bothered to appreciate them outside the circle of the tribesmen themselves. In fact, no one saw the dances of primitive tribes as anything akin to art, each society thinking it possessed the highest in culture. The fact that we have all, most of us in any case, become educated enough to see and appreciate dance and music from far-off cultures speaks very highly of our expanding consciousness. Actually, dances are easy to understand if we know the occasion. Strangely enough, dances from different cultures often have similar movements, as if beneath the surface, we are all one. Upon deeper thought, we see that dances are actually reflections of the movements in nature. All nature is always moving, and dance is actually a method of moving to the rhythms of nature and keeping time with the movement of the cosmos. There seems to be a voice deep within every man which tells him that culture is part of life. Hence it is very rarely that we come across persons who cannot appreciate culture. Even the so-called uneducated persons can understand the meaning of good music and rhythmic dancing. Thus it is no surprise that culture is respected and appreciated by all. Indeed, at no time in history was there a greater awareness and appreciation of culture than now. One wonders if this is not the best and easiest path to world peace.